Hello students, welcome to all of you. Student, in this chapter we will cover the conditionals, and it is also lesson 15, your grammar section of English book. So let's see what is the conditionals. So as the definition is given in the book, another name for conditional sentences is conditional clause या if clause. Means हम conditional sentence को conditional clause या if clause के नाम से भी जानते हैं. Only if a certain conditions in the if clause is fulfilled. Means if there is some certain conditions and if is also given, then your condition your clause is fulfilled. Then the action in the main clause, if there is the if clause, then also the main clause also with that sentence. As the example in the given in the box, if you work hard, so this is the if clause, and apart from this there is a main clause also in the before this sentence. If you work hard, you will pass the examination. I get the invitation. If I get the invitation, I will go to the party. If I have enough money, I will buy a new car. So this kind of sentence are known as conditional clause. So let's see what is the use of first conditionals. First of all, it shows that it is possible and also very likely that the condition will be fulfilled. First is nature. So according to nature, the sentence that is given, what is said in the condition is possible. It is also known as the open conditions. If something is in a conditional that is possible, to this kind of sentence is known as open condition. As like example, if you hurry, you will catch the train next time. This condition refers to either present or future time. For example, if they don't win the match, the players are to be blamed. It is also in the present. Next is, if I find her books, I will return them to her. The sentence that start with the main clause but the comma which is in the if clause is avoided. Means जब sentence main clause से start होते हैं तो वहाँ पे comma को ignore कर दिया जाता है. As like example that is given, the players are to be blamed if they don't win the match. So this is the first exercise that we will see after. Let's see the second type of conditions. So it shows that it is possible but very unlikely that the condition will be fulfilled. So is these conditions, it is not sure the condition will be fulfilled. As like, if I had enough money, I would buy a new house. So it is not sure the person will buy a new car or not. It is just a wish. Nature, unreal या improbable situations. Means that is not real, that is not of course. Next is time. The tense is past but we are talking about the future. Although the tense is in the past but the sentence indicate to the future. For example, if Sudesh won a lottery, he would go on a trip to Europe. So student, here is another sentence. If Vinay knew his name, he would introduce him to me. So this kind of sentence, that's nature is in the past but they are indicating to the future. Next is could. In second conditional sentences, could can be used instead of would to make the hypothetical या present या future more likely. Means you can use the could also to make the sentence more forcible. Next is, for example, if he trained every day, he could play in the national team. If I had some money, if I have some more money, I could buy a bigger house. So there is another exercise that is given here. Let's see the type 3 conditional sentences. So it shows that it is impossible that the condition will be fulfilled as it referred to the past. So in this types of sentence, it is impossible that the condition will be fulfilled as it refer to the past. यानी कि condition की पूरी होने की संभावना बहुत ही कम होती है जैसा कि past में indicate किया जाता है. As like, if I had known he was coming, I would have invited him for the party. So nature, how the nature of the sentence, it is unreal. Time is indicating to the past. As like, we are talking about a situation that was not so in the past. So for example, if you had told me about the sale, I would have gone there and bought a few things for myself. But you did not and I haven't. So this kind of sentence, that is the nature, by nature they are in the past but indicating to the future. Next is, if I had known about your program, I wouldn't have gone on holiday. If I had known about the danger, I wouldn't have gone to the forest alone. So this kind of sentences that are in the past but indicating to the future. So there are some points that we have to remember. Normally, will ya would is not used in if clause. If there is a if clause, then you do not have to use will ya would. But there are some exception that is given in the sentence, as like they can be used if they express willingness as in request. For example, I would be grateful if you would pass me that bag. If you will come this way, the doctor will see you. So instead of if not, we can use unless. Means if not के स्थान पे आप unless को भी use कर सकते हैं. As like in the sentence given, I will definitely go to school unless it is raining very hard. I will buy the dress unless it is very expensive. So student, there is some exercise that is given in this chapter. I will fill it. After that, send you through the app. So till then, you revise and repeat this chapter. Okay, thank you.